everyone, welcome to The Explorer. I'm Miss Jane.
I'm Huan Pang.
Today you will look at reading comprehension, An Uninvited Visitor. Before the lesson starts, I want you to print this paper. Okay, so please get ready. I will read the passage below together with you. So let's start now. Number 1. It was a Sunday night. One more time. It was a Sunday night. I want you to read together with me. Okay? It was a Sunday night. 是什么意思呢？就是讲着那一天晚上是一个星期日晚上。Okay? 是星期日晚上。So next, number 2. Sammy was revising his homework in the room. One more time. Sammy was revising his homework in the room. Revising 是什么意思呢？ Okay, 就是温习功课。So now what I want you to do is, you can see this Chinese word, right? 可以看到这华语字。So I want you to write it in your paper. Okay, 在纸上写这个华文字温习 revising 就是温习什么呢？就是温习功课。所以那一天是星期日晚上，那时候 Sammy 正在温习他的功课，在房间里面。So next, number 3. Out of the blue, he heard a loud sound. Out of the blue, he heard a loud sound. So out of the blue 是什么意思呢？ Look at the Chinese word. 就是突然间。So 突然间呢，他听见了什么声音？ He heard a loud sound. 他听见一个很大声的声音，就是 He heard a loud sound. Next, number 4. It came from outside the window. It came from outside the window. 说是从哪里传来的这个声音？是来自窗外 outside the window. So 是什么东西呢？ Next, number 5. Immediately. He looked out of the window. Immediately, he looked out of the window. So immediately, what is the meaning? It means 赶快的，就是快快的，他就望出窗口，给他就从那个窗口看一下外面到底是什么事情。He looked out of the window. So next, number 6, he saw a stray cat searching for food in the dustbin. He saw a stray cat searching for food in the dustbin. So stray cat 是什么来的呢？就是流浪猫。Okay, so you can see this picture. This is the stray cat. 就是一个流浪猫正在原来是在那个垃圾桶那边找食物。Okay, searching for food in the dustbin. Alright, so the passage only have 6 sentences. I want you to practice reading. So now I will read it one more time. So please follow me, and then you also have to practice reading. Number 1. It was a Sunday night. Number 2. Sammy was revising his homework in the room. Number 3. Out of the blue, he heard a loud sound. Number 4. It came from outside the window. Number 5. Immediately, he looked out of the window. Number 6. He saw a stray cat searching for food in the dustbin. So please practice.
After reading the sentences, now you have to answer 5 questions. Okay, are you ready? Take a look at the questions below the sentences. Are you ready? Number 1. What was Sammy doing on a Sunday night? What was Sammy doing on a Sunday night? Can you please read the sentence together with me? What was Sammy doing on a Sunday night? 就是在一个星期日的晚上 Sammy 正在做什么 What was Sammy doing? Okay, so the answer is very simple. Take a look at your passage, okay, or the sentences. Alright, number 1 to number 6, the sentences that you have read. Okay, take a look at the sentences and you can find the answer in the sentences. Okay, 哪一个句子就讲他在星期日晚上的时候，那时候他正在做什么 Sammy 正在温习他的功课，在房间温习功课，对吗？ Can you find the answer? And you need to write here. Sammy, okay, write in the space given. Sammy subject, then your verb was revising, 正在温习功课 his homework in the room. So that's your answer for number 1. Okay, can you write the answer now? And as you write the answer, please read the sentence. Sammy was revising his homework in the room. Full stop. Number 2. Suddenly, what did he hear? Suddenly, what did he hear? Hear means think. See, you look at the word hear. Ask a question with did. Did. No past tense for the word hear. Base form, can could will would shall should do that's did. So 那个 verb 就是 base form. Then afterwards when you answer, you have to use the past tense. So what is the past tense for hear? Yes, heard. H-E-A-R-D. You can find the sentence, this word in the passage there, sentence number 3. Alright, okay, so what suddenly, what did he hear? Suddenly means 突然间，句子里面也没有突然间这个字，但是有什么 out of the blue。这一首 out of the blue 就是突然的意思，就是 suddenly。他听到一个很大的声音，对吗？ So find the answer and you write the sentence now. Of course, you don't use the word out of the blue. Use the word suddenly. Suddenly. 他 subject verb 听到 so heard the word heard past tense H-E-A-R-D heard 听到什么自己找 okay now if I'm too fast you need to pause 停一下 write the answer then only you continue with number 3 number 3 where did the sound come from? Where did the sound come from? 那个声音是从哪里来的 Sound 就是声音 come from 就哪里 OK 哪里来声音是从哪里来的 Now, and the answer is also very simple. You can find the answer. 声音是从窗口外面来的，对吗 Where can you find the answer? Okay, check. Where can you find the answer? 讲那个声音是从窗口外面来的，窗外。Can you find? Okay, write the subject. Who or what? You can write it. You can also write the sound. Came. Past tense of come is came. 为什么要用 came? Because you ask a question with did. 刚才you ask a question with did. No past tense for the word come. So when you answer, you need to use came. So the sound came from. 然后就写答案了，找答案了。Next question, number 4. What did Sammy do immediately? What did Sammy do immediately? 就是 Sammy 立刻的这样做。And this answer is also very simple. 在那边又讲了立刻的他怎样做。抄那边答案，立刻的他从窗口望出去。因为他听到声音，知道那声音从那个 window outside the window， 他就从窗口望出去。Right, so that's what Sammy did. Okay, write your answer, find the answer from the passage and you write. And the last one, number 5. Who was searching for food in the dustbin? Who was searching for food in the dustbin? 谁寻找食物在垃圾桶？正在寻找食物，谁呀？Okay, so you find the answer and you will write the answer now. Okay, look at your book, look at your passage, not the book, right? Look at passage and you can see sentence number 6. 他看到什么 ？Okay, 正在找什么？找食物。So that's the answer for question number 5. Now take out your vocabulary book. You need to paste this paper that you have written the answer into your vocabulary book. Please take out your vocabulary book. Write number 1, revising. Revising means 温习功课的那个温习 Okay, it is a verb. So for present tense, it is revise. Revises with S. Past tense of revise is revised. R-E-V-I-S-E-D. Okay, so you don't have to copy these 3 words, but you only need to copy number 1. Revising. 抄这个字罢了 And then in Chinese, 温习 Okay, after that, A. 不要空行 Write A straight away. Sami was revising his homework in the room. Sami was revising his homework in the room. So Sami 在房间正在温习他的功课。So was revising. Now, I want you to write B. You are going to change the verb. 动词要换了。See, take a look at the 动词。这个温习 Okay, the 温习 that you are talking about now, 温习功课那个温习 you cannot use was revising. Why? Because I said 每天晚上。我说每天晚上 is every night. So that's habitual action. So if it is habitual action, you use the verb with S or without the S. 有 S 或者没有 S 的就是时常发生。So now you're going to choose Sami, revise or revises. 什么？他的功课 his homework. Where? 在房间咯 In the room. In his room. 其实 every night. Okay, so please remember to write your subject followed by your verb. And then homework where in the room, then your time every night. Okay, can you write on your own? A and B. A 是抄的 B 不要空行要自己写记得动词要换因为时间已经换了 Number 2, leave a line number 2, out of the blue. Okay, come read for me. Out of the blue. Out of the blue also means suddenly or all of a sudden. So there are 3 phrases here. 3个不同的 One is out of the blue, one more suddenly, and one more all of a sudden. 全部都要抄。意思呢是突然间。Okay, so in the paper 是 out of the blue. Now I give you 2 more. Suddenly 或者 all of a sudden 的意思一样的，突然间。Alright, A sentence, don't leave a line. 不用空行啦。A, out of the blue, he heard a loud sound. 突然间他听到一个很大的声音。Okay, so now I want you to write 突然间 out of the blue, suddenly, all of a sudden 都可以用。我听到 So I subject verb 听到了没有？听到了。So this is past tense. 一个很大的声音。So this sentence is very easy and you are going to use the past tense to write. 因为已经听到了。Okay, so that's for number 2. Leave a line. Write number 3. Outside. Outside 就是外面。Sentence A. Remember to read the sentences, yeah? Okay, A. It came from outside the window. It came from outside the window. So that's for number 3. And you're going to write A. 不用空行的。Okay, write A. It came from outside the window. 那个是什么？ It 是它，所以 it could be the 声音从哪里来的？从外面 ，okay, 的窗口外面 ，right? So now I want you to write B. 那个声音 subject 声音 ，Can you remember? What do you call? Okay, how to write 声音 the sound? Verb. What is a verb? Check sentence A. From where? 屋子外面 outside the house. If you cannot write, please take a look at A sentence. Okay, look at A. It. For sentence B, I want you to write 那个声音 so the sound. Okay, spell sound. Can you find spell sound? Look at your own passage. Look at your paper. You can see the word sound. Okay, 是从哪里来的 Check came from. And then change your outside the window. Change to 屋子外面 house. Number 4. Immediately. Now I want you to write these 4 phrases into your exercise book. The first word is immediately. Number 2, the second one, quickly. Next one, without delay. And one more, as fast as lightning. Okay, you need to read. Okay, immediately, quickly, without delay, as fast as lightning. What is the meaning of all these words? 赶快的意思。Okay, immediately 就是赶快的 ，quickly 也是一样 ，without delay 就是没有犹豫，快快的去做 ，as fast as lightning 闪电的这样快，就是赶快的意思。Alright, then you have your A sentence. Take a look at your sentence A. Immediately he looked out of the window. Immediately 就是立刻的，他从窗口望出去。See, so the sentence is sentence 4A. Immediately, he looked out of the window. B. Okay, I want you to write B on your own. The same word, you can use the word immediately, or you can also use quickly or without delay, or as fast as lightning, comma, subject, war. Okay, write war. 从房间跑出去，我从房间我 subject. What is a verb? 跑 past tense of 跑 out of what? Not the window but the 房间. How to write 房间 in English? 房间 is room, R-O-O-M, room. Okay, so if you do not know how to write, please take a look at sentence A. 看他怎样写的。A says immediately he looked out of the window. 立刻的他从窗口望出去。现在我的呢？立刻的他从房间跑出去。See, so the look change to 跑。Then you get your answer 跑。跑 past tense of 跑。Okay, you write on your own. Number 5, last one. Write the word stray, 流浪 and the word searching, 搜索 Okay, stray 流浪就是没有人要的，好像狗啊猫啊就是流浪狗，我们就讲 stray cat, stray dog. Okay, searching 就是找的意思，搜索。Alright, sentence A that you copy from the sentences given to you just now. He saw a stray cat searching for food in the dustbin. He saw a stray cat. 他看到一只流浪猫搜索什么？找什么？找食物。Where? In the dustbin. Alright, now I want you to write sentence B on your own. Now this sentence is very easy. You just need to change your subject. The first one, A, he 不可以用 he 的，用我。I subject, verb 看到什么？流浪狗。Okay, and then searching for what? For food. Where? In the dustbin. So take a look at sentence A when you write B. So 记得不可以翻译，不可以全部华语，就换去英文就算了，不是，它一定要跟住 subject, then followed by your verb, alright, and your object, your sentence. Okay, so can you try sentence number 5 on your own? Alright, okay, so that's all for today. Homework to be sent today. You have to send me the answers to the 5 questions and also the sentences that you have written in your vocabulary book. Alright, so don't read yet. 不要读先，我改完你才读，我才跟你讲要读哪里。Okay, so that's all for today.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Subscribe to Explorer for more lessons. Have a nice day.